This is how I decorate my yard for fall. First, you need to get a round piece of wood, and I took drop cloth and stapled the cloth to the wood. This is going to make the scarecrow head. The front side, I used some pillow stuffing to give it some shape, and then I painted his eyes. I used a little bit of DIY little black dress, and I put in some fabric medium, or you could use liquid patina. Then I added some eyebrows. I mixed Swan White with Old 57 to make some light blue for his eyes. Next, I used Summer Crush to create his nose. I outlined it in black and made it like it had stitches on it with little black dress. Next, a big smile. And this makes a really cute scarecrow face. Added some little lines to look like stitches. Then I added a little bit of kissing booth for his cheeks. Added some eyelashes and his face was done. Oh, but don't forget to add a little bit of catchlight in his eyes with white. I took some wooden pumpkins my husband and I had made several years ago for a class I taught. I painted them with Summer Crush and Old 57. Notice how good Old 57 covers that. Then I used the IOD farmhand stamps to create some words. On one of the pumpkins I put Hello Fall. I used a brayer to roll it on, and on the other pumpkin I put Welcome. When you use these stamps, you need to press them down. That one fell off, but it's okay. And run your hand over each little letter so that it all stamps. You can buy the paint and stamps that I used in this project at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com. You will need 5 straw bales. I purchased these at a hardware store. And you're going to need hat, pants, shirt, scarecrow face, and a cross piece. I dressed him up. With the help of my husband, we hammered him into the ground. He had a little overall trouble. And then we added some flowers that I purchased. Luckily, only a couple miles from the house, we have a farmer that raises them. And some pumpkins. We put up our signs. Hubby added a spike to that pumpkin because he thought it might fall off. So far, he's not quite done yet. He needs a little bit of something around his neck. And we need a couple more pumpkins, which we'll go get tomorrow. He's getting done. Oh, a bundle. Oh, we can get a bundle. We'll just tell them we're getting a bundle. You want to put that in your car, though? A few more. Decorative pumpkins. What do you think we need? Another one of these? Another one of these?
Yeah.
Because they're so bright. Get the yellow ones over there.
Yeah.
Primping the corn. Oh God, I love the corn, but the squirrels are gonna get into it. You know they are.
Probably.
What's his name, Lily?
Billy Bob Crow.
Billy Bob Crow. I've got a crow somewhere we can stick on. So if you want to make you a scarecrow, follow my directions for painting his face. Add some chrysanthemums, which I was lucky enough to get just about a mile from my house at a farm. Get some pumpkins that I bought from a friend's fresh market. Add some hay bales and a couple signs, and don't forget the corn stalks. And you can have a great fall decor in your yard. Come here. But you got to have one of these too, because he solves all the problems.
The man who made it.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell to be reminded when I post more videos. Happy fall!